Next question is given that write Coulomb's law in vector form. For the force of attraction or repulsion between 2 point charges. First of all, we know that Coulomb's force is given by, in scalar form, is given by 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 upon r square. We have to write the vector form of this equation. So let us consider two like charges q1 and q2. This is first charge and this is second charge. The position vectors of these charges with respect to an origin O will be like this. You can see if position vector of first charge is denoted by OQ1, then this position vector is the first is of first charge and denoted by R1O because this is the position vector of first charge with respect to origin, or simply we can write R1, and this position vector can be written as R2O or simply R2 in vector form. Now this position vector, this is also position vector of q2 means R2, but this is the position vector with respect to first charge, so we can write R21. Using triangle law of addition, we can write vector R1, this is vector R21, vector R1 plus vector R21 equals vector R2, and we can write vector R21 equals vector R2 minus vector R1. So here we can write vector R2 minus vector R1. Now in another form we can represent these charges as this is first charge q1, second charge q2, and this is position vector R21, and in the direction of this position vector R21 there will be a unit vector r21. Now we consider about the vector of force. Suppose that these charges are like charges, means product of these charges means q1 and q2 is greater than 0. Means to say that these are like charges, or both of the charges can be positive nature or negative nature. So what will be the direction of F1 due to second charge? Force on first charge due to second charge denoted by F12 away from the line joining the two charges, because these are like charges. And similarly, direction of F21 will be like this, F21. So by using this scalar form, we can write the value of F21 equals 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1, you see, Q1 Q2 upon R21 square. And if this is vector, then to denote the direction of this force vector F21, we will write R21 cap. You can see in this diagram, R21 cap is the unit vector in the direction of vector of force F21. Similarly, we can write F12 equals 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R12 square R cap 12. But we also can write R12 equals minus R cap 12 equals R minus R cap 21. So we can write vector F12 equals 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R12 square. Using this relation, we can write minus R cap 21. Suppose that this is equation first and this is equation second. Compare these two equations. We can write F12 equals F21 equals minus F12. So we can say that vector form of Coulomb's law is another form of Newton's third law of motion, by which it states that for every action there is equal and opposite reaction. So this is the vector form of Coulomb's law. Note this question. Before starting next question, we will discuss about these equations. Equation first and equation, this is equation second. we can assume this equation as third and this equation second. So equation first and second also can be written as in another form. F12 vector F12 equal to, here we write here equation 1 can be written as F21 vector F21 equals 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R21 square in bracket R cap 21 can be written as R cap 21 vector R cap 21 upon mod of R cap vector R cap 21. So we can write vector F21 equals 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon, you can write mod of vector R21 as R21, so R21 cube, it will be R21 cube, R21 cube, R21 vector. If R21 in scalar form R12 equal to R21 equal to this distance between two charges, suppose that R. So if these distances equals R, we can write F21 equals 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R cube R21 vector R21. Similarly, we can write F12 equals 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R cube R12 vector R12. Here you have seen that Q1 multiplied by Q2 is greater than 0. So these are like charges, and forces F vector F21 and vector F12 F21 and F12 are force of repulsion. If Q1 multiplied by Q2 is less than 0, means this value is negative. So we will say that forces F12 or F21 will be attractive in nature, and this diagram will be converted as like this for Q1 Q2 less than 0, F12 and F21. Directions will be towards each other. Direction of forces will be towards each other. In the case if there are two unlike charges, one charge is positive and thus and second is negative. Now we will proceed. Question number C is write the expression for magnetic field intensity at a point on the axial position due to a magnetic dipole. Explain the meaning of the letters used.